welcome back. It's been a long time since I've done a guitar video because I haven't been building guitars. We've been under a self-imposed austerity program. I'm sorry for the air conditioner noise, but it is really hot here. And anyway, it's really hot here. This one's going to be different. The first two I got from StewMac, and they were important parts of the build that were already done for me. I didn't have the tools to do part of it, and now I do, and I'll be building more. This time I got a kit from Luthier's Mercantile International, LMI, and not much has been done. I'm going to be doing a lot more work, taking a lot more time. This build I expect to take a while. Because I'm working part-time again. So that's going to cut into my Luthier time availability. So let me readjust the camera. We'll get started. Alright. I've had this for a few days now. It's taken a lot of patience, and I want to rip it open. Now we try to do this in a way. I can box it back up because we're going to be heading out back to Michigan to visit friends and family for a bit. We'll be doing it right away. Okay. First of all, I decided to try the gold Evo wire, and so I got some gold tuners. That should be interesting. This is my neck. I'm not too happy about that, although that would be cut out, I guess, realistically. It's Spanish cedar. I wanted to try that for a change. I'd heard some good things about it. And these are the tail block, well, the two end blocks actually. This is basically spruce for the braces. I have to figure out how to cut this so that I have the right number, and that should be interesting. Okay. Okay, truss rod. I'm putting in some carbon fiber supports on the neck as well. Thought I'd try that. This is, okay, I'm not going to unwrap it, but I can see I have ebony binding, so I'll get to learn how to bend that as well. And I see my liner, my curved liner. That looks like it's probably just to support it, that piece of wood. Miscellaneous. That's interesting. Why? Oh, pins. Cool. And more pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh, interesting. I have 2 sets of pins. What do my nut, my saddle, and I pretty much just verified that I forgot to order something. I thought I did. The hardware to fasten the neck to the guitar. So I'll do something about that. All right, now making a mistake with doing this now. I'll wrap it back up. So, back and sides are Indian rosewood, as is the headstock plate, and the fretboard. I did have this done. I just didn't want to spend the money for, it's cheap. So, these are the sides. Actually, these would be the sides. I also got this partially to practice, but I want to use them as a liner. I really came across this idea mostly from watching Driftwood Guitars videos. He does it. I'm going to have to, I don't have the equipment he does, so I'm going to have to do it. I have another idea to using my bender machine to do it. Here are the two pieces for the back and the front, top, Western cedar. And that's it. Put this back. Bound up. So it's going to be a little bit before I actually start the project. I'm going to take all this upstairs where I have air conditioning and keep it dry. The garage does not qualify for that. And so I hope to see you pretty soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye.